Executive Secretary Ralph Recto, DND Undersecretary Ireneo Espino, the AFP Chief of Staff General Romeo Browner, and the major service commanders, the newly promoted generals and flag officers of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, and the graduates of the foreign pre-commissioned training institutions, my fellow workers in government, distinguished guests, friends and families of those who have just taken their oaths, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. We are reminded today that this oath-taking is a reaffirmation of a sacred trust, the respect for the Constitution, service to the Filipino people, and loyalty to the Republic. I congratulate our generals and flag officers, including the two newly commissioned graduates of foreign pre-commissioned training institutions. As you open another chapter, you also accept greater responsibility to lead with wisdom, restraint, and moral clarity. Your promotion reflects a nation's confidence in your integrity and professionalism, your dedication to duty. The stars you bear shine more brightly today as constant reminders of your obligations to protect our sovereignty, to uphold our national security, and safeguard the freedoms of every Filipino. This responsibility is shared by our reservists, whose roles as a force multiplier continues to strengthen the capabilities of the armed forces. This ceremony serves as a powerful affirmation that our loyalty is anchored to the Constitution, to our democratic institutions, and above all, to the people. In recent months, we have taken meaningful steps to ensure that the AFP remains a model of discipline, competence, and service. We have engaged international partners in the conduct of training programs, strengthening cooperation, resource management, and interagency coordination. Through joint exercises and defense partnerships, we have also sharpened our readiness to address existing and emergent security challenges. As your President and your Commander-in-Chief, I reaffirm this administration's commitment to the continued modernization of the armed forces. In fact, we have taken steps to better support the women and men in uniform. We have approved the increase of the base pay of military and uniformed personnel. We also increased this year the daily subsistence allowance of all military and uniformed personnel to 350 pesos. All these reflect our principle that honoring service means ensuring that those who serve are given the support and dignity that they rightfully deserve. May you always wear the stars on your shoulders as daily reminders of your duty to lead with integrity, to serve with humility, and if necessary, fight for the Republic with honor and with courage. To the families of our generals and flag officers, especially in this Christmas season, we recognize your patience, your sacrifices, and your support. Just as family lies at the heart of every single Filipino home, so too are you at the heart of our nation's service. So together, let us continue to serve the Filipino people, protect our sovereignty, and help build a stronger, more secure, bagong Pilipinas. Maraming salamat, maligayang Pasko sa inyong lahat, mabuhay